Hi, it's Brian at the Proctors, and today I'm doing my first time lapse of the pursuit of flight from the Bricklink Designer Programme. Laura kindly bought me this for a present, and I was taking a while to get around to building it, and I really enjoyed it. It's a fun build. It's it comes together quite well for a small set. Um, there's a few small pieces in there that can be a bit tricky to build, and the instructions aren't the best when viewing it on the iPad. So the full size parts don't always look full size, so it can be a bit tricky, especially putting the Technic rods in for the height of the planes. As you can see, this is the base being built, and then the mechanism goes in. You can see the mechanism from the side, and you can actually see it working, which is quite a cool little thing to see. This was building the base for the ground, with all the buildings in, roads, and the paths. There was also some of the flowers were put on the top, and loads of the tiles. Really good fun build. Took a while to build, but you didn't want to rush it. It was really cool. As you can see now, the base is sort of coming together with all the houses on it, and that sits on top of the mechanical base. And here are all the clouds being built. This was quite sort of sweet, and they stand really neat, and it gives the a bit of depth to the model. This is the mounting for the aircraft, and now we're on to building up the actual planes themselves. You get two actual flying planes that sit one behind the other, and you also get another 3 planes that are stationary. The pilots look really cute in the ones that are actually flying, and it was quite an awesome little plane to build. Can be a little tricky to get it to mount and sit there straight on the mountains, and I did have one that seemed to want to lean forward all the time, but pushed the rods back in, and it sat there perfectly in the right place. So as you can see, this is the second plane going together, and yeah, it's a nice little model. And obviously when it's finished, they move by turning the handle at the end, or you can obviously put a power unit on it. So these are the start of the stationary planes that go around the model. These are really detailed. I was quite impressed with the amount of detail that was on it, and it was a good build. That was the first one, the blue and white. Then on to the red one, and it was interesting building up the tail and how it all came together. As you can see, I'm now building the wings, and goes together really well with the propellers and the wheels as well. We're on to the final one, which is the Wright Brothers plane. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.